Hi, fellow traders wherever you are. On this occasion I will explain about how to use and install Hotea trading bots on MT4. In the previous video, the important points for running an MT4 trading robot have been explained. Now it's time for Hotea trading bot installation. Our trading bot only runs on Windows MT4 and MT5 platforms, so make sure you have those platforms installed. The first step is to download the Hotea trading bot installer that we provide. Open the download folder and double-click Hotea Setup Trading Bot to start installing. Click Yes if a UAC warning appears. Click Agree and wait for the directory to appear. Then select which MT4 directory to install Hotea trading bot in. After that, click Next and Install Now. The installation is successful, then click Close to close the installer. Has the Hotea trading bot installed. Before running Hotea trading bot, you need to configure Metatrader 4 first. If there is no active account, please log in first with your MT4 account credentials. Click Tools on MT4 and click Options. Click on the Expert Advisor section, then tick Allow Automated Trading and allow DLL imports, then click OK. Open Hotea Recommended Currency Pairs. Then download history of all time frames. How to click the time frame M1 to monthly and repeat twice. Metatrader setup is complete. Continue. The last stage is running the Hotea trading bot configuration. Click on the Expert Advisor on your MT4 navigator. Then double-click on Hotea trading bot. Click the Comment tab, make sure Live Trading and Allow DLL imports are checked. After that, move the Inputs tab, the trading bot configuration will appear. To enter a configuration preset, click Load and the preset file as recommended by the Hotea team. Then click Open. And for the license, please fill in the number given by the Hotea team in the Enter Password section. After that, click OK. If in the upper right corner shows a smile symbol, it means that the trading robot has been running successfully and there are no problems. Especially for the Hotea S.A.S trading bot, there are additional things that need to be run. After the trading robot is running, please insert the Hotea triggers indicator into the chart. The trick is to select it in the Indicators section of the navigator and double-click on the Hotea triggers. Make sure the tab's Common Allow DLL is checked, then click OK. Use and installation of Hotea trading bot is complete. The most important point of using Hotea trading bots is the configuration of the bot itself. So, before running Hotea trading bot, please consult first. We will give you a preset configuration to match the balance you have. Of course, with a measurable gain and loss calculation configuration. We Hotea team make no promises and guarantees with fantastic profits. We only provide the best Hotea trading systems and bots according to our more than 7 years of experience. In the world of trading currencies, CFD, commodities and indices, it is obligatory to know the risks first before talking about profits. With Hot EA trading bots, you don't have to worry about managing your balance, and it will definitely help you from things that can drain your emotions or psychology, as well as your trading time. For an explanation and use of this Hot EA trading bot, that's all. If you have any questions, please chat on WhatsApp or email us. In the next video, we will provide tips and basic calculations using Hot EA trading bots. Best wishes always for you.